All right, guys, listen up. We're about to dive into some seriously powerful information. Ever been with a woman and wondered if she's in the mood, or worse, missed the signals completely? After this video, that'll never happen again. We're breaking down 10 scientifically backed signs that a woman is feeling frisky. This isn't guesswork or locker room talk. This is real, observable behavior that'll turn you from clueless to clued in. But fair warning, this knowledge is like a superpower. Use it responsibly. Number 1, the lip bite of desire. When a woman bites her lip while looking at you, it's not because she's hungry for food. She's hungry for you, genius. This isn't just a cute gesture. It's a primal signal, hardwired into female biology. Here's the science. Lip biting increases blood flow to the lips, making them redder and fuller. It's like nature's lipstick, designed to draw your attention to her mouth. And why does she want your attention there? Use your imagination. But be careful. Some women bite their lips out of nervousness. Look for it combined with other signs on this list. If she's biting her lip and giving you bedroom eyes, you're in the game. Number 2, the I want to eat you alive stare. You've seen this look before, but you probably didn't know what it meant. It's not just a glance. It's a freaking tractor beam of desire. Her eyes might look a little unfocused, almost sleepy. That's because she's not looking at you. She's imagining you naked. This look is often accompanied by dilated pupils. It's a physiological response to arousal that she can't fake. If her eyes look like black holes ready to suck you in, that's good sign. Number 3, the check out my assets showcase. Women are subtle creatures, but when they're turned on, subtlety goes out the window. If she's constantly finding reasons to bend over in front of you, or accidentally brushing her chest against your arm, wake up. She's not clumsy, she's advertising. This isn't just about showing off her body. It's about getting you to imagine her body. Every accidental touch or strategic pose is designed to get your mind wandering to more intimate scenarios. Number 4, the sex talk switcheroo. If a woman starts steering the conversation towards sex, it's not because she's discussing her thesis on human sexuality. She's testing the waters, seeing if you're on the same page. This is your chance to show you can keep up. Be playful, be flirty, but for the love of all that's holy, don't be crude. She's opening a door. Don't slam it in her face with your awkwardness. Pay attention to the topic she brings up. Is she talking about her favorite sex scenes in movies? Asking about your past relationships? These are all ways of indirectly bringing sex into the conversation. Number 5, the damsel in distress act. When a woman suddenly needs your help with simple tasks, it's not because she's incompetent. It's because she wants an excuse for you to flex those muscles. This is pure evolutionary psychology at work. She's not just stroking your ego. She's imagining what else those strong hands can do. Don't disappoint her, but be smart about this. If she's asking you to help her move a couch, that's not necessarily a come on. But if she's asking you to reach something on a high shelf, when she's perfectly capable of doing it herself, that's a different story. Number 6, the not-so-accidental kiss. If she's finding excuses to get her face close to yours, she's not checking for food in your teeth. She's giving you an open invitation to make a move. This might look like her leaning in close to whisper something in your ear, even if you're in a quiet place. Or maybe she's stumbling and catching herself with a hand on your chest. These aren't accidents, they're opportunities. Number 7, the touch tease. A woman who's horny will find any excuse to touch you. A hand on your arm, a playful punch, even accidentally brushing against you. This isn't friendliness, it's foreplay. Each touch is like a trial run, seeing how your body responds to hers. Respond well, and there might be a lot more touching in your future. Pay attention to the duration and frequency of these touches. A quick tap on the shoulder is one thing. A lingering hand on your arm is something else entirely. Number 8, the voice drop. When arousal hits, a woman's voice can change more dramatically than a teenage boy's. It might get softer, breathier, maybe even a little husky. This isn't a cold, it's her body preparing for intimacy. This change in voice is often subconscious. She's not putting it on. It's a genuine physiological response to arousal. If her voice suddenly sounds like she's auditioning for a phone sex line, take the hint. Number 9. The hot and bothered flush. Biology is a beautiful thing. When a woman is turned on, her body temperature rises. She might start fanning herself, complaining about the heat, or you might notice a flush creeping up her neck. This isn't menopause, my friend. Her body's getting hot because she's thinking hot thoughts about you. Don't leave her out in the cold. This flush can extend to her chest area too. If you notice her skin getting red or blotchy, especially around her neck and upper chest, that's a clear sign of arousal. Number 10. The nervous energy explosion. Sometimes, extreme horniness can look a lot like nervousness. Fidgeting, playing with her hair, laughing a little too hard at your jokes. This isn't anxiety, it's anticipation. Her body is revved up like a sports car at the starting line, just waiting for the green light. Are you going to leave her idling, or are you going to take her for a ride? Look for rapid breathing, fidgeting with objects, or excessive gesticulation. These are all signs that her body is in a heightened state of arousal. Now, here's the million-dollar question. What do you do when you spot these signs? Simple. You act confidently, respectfully, but decisively. Because a woman showing these signs isn't just dropping hints. She's throwing them at you like grenades. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. This knowledge isn't for taking advantage. It's for creating mutual satisfaction. But that's still not enough, is it? There should be more to life than only this. Luckily for you, I have some good news today. What if it were possible to put your dick in any woman you can get your eyes on, without even the slightest chance of getting rejected? It is possible, because what I'm about to tell you is helping thousands of clueless, aging, and even unattractive guys hook up with women who are levels above their pay grade. To learn about that, you will have to watch a video that will teach you a simple, step-by-step system that even the nerdiest guys can use to have women open their legs. With this secret knowledge, the 9s and 10s that used to turn their backs to you before you even said hi end up in your bed. It shows you how to bypass a woman's rejection mechanism and force-feed feelings of attraction, lust, and desire directly into her subconscious mind. Needless to say, this gives you some seriously unfair power over women and pretty much allows you to sleep with whoever you want. But apparently, someone spilled the beans. The video got into the wrong hands, and now some feminist groups on social media have reported the video and got it taken down. They even threatened to take legal action against us. The reason these women are so hell-bent on getting this video banned is because they know they're powerless to stop the techniques it teaches. If you use this seduction method on them, they'd never even know it, and the next thing they know is that they're lying naked on your bed, begging for you to fuck them, and you can use these techniques as early as tonight. It really is that simple. So if you really want that much power in your hands, here's how to get it. All you have to do is click the first link in the description or the comments. Sign up to the newsletter, and we'll email you the entire video tutorial. I'll see you guys there.